Today I want to talk to you about a topic that we get a lot of questions about, and that's what's the best way to handle asynchronous events in the CloudMine JavaScript SDK. So if you don't know what an asynchronous event is, you can check out some of our other video tutorials where we have some great explanations of it. But for more advanced usage, if you'll check out the left side of my screen, I've written a small JavaScript application that basically just requires our CloudMine SDK, which you can download from either NPM or Bower. And then it uses the CloudMine SDK here. We're doing some configuration, and then we just do a get call with the SDK. And so we're searching for this object, which is just a string object ID of an object that I know exists in my test application. And we are checking for a couple of common events. And so that would be the success event here. You can see we're just printing out the data, so this is what gets triggered if we successfully get some data back. If there's an error, so that would be any HTTP status code that's considered an error state, which are any of the 400s or 500s, then this error block will be triggered. And we print out a generic error message here. And then this third event is one that not a lot of people know about, but it's actually a really useful event that the CloudMine JavaScript SDK offers. And it's the complete event. So it gets called when the API call has completely finished. Whether it's a success or error, this block here will get triggered. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look at this running. So I'm going to go ahead and run my events.js script, and you can see we were successful. I got my object out of the database, and so we printed this success message here. We skipped the error block because there was no error, and after the error block we triggered this complete event, which just printed out always fires right here.